In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to eBay. If you want to add PayPal as a payment option in your eBay account, this process is fairly simple and only takes a few moments once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on your own screen without any confusion. To begin, sign into your eBay account and look toward the top area of the page for My eBay. Go ahead and click on My eBay to open your account-related options. This is where eBay keeps many of your personal settings, account tools, and payment preferences, so it's the right place to start for this setup. Once you're inside My eBay, find and click on Payments. This section is where you manage the ways you pay for things on eBay, as well as other billing-related details. If you've never visited this area before, take a second to look around so you know where these settings live for future updates. After that, look for the option labeled Add Cards and Accounts and click it. This is the section eBay uses when you want to add a new payment method to your account. Even though the wording mentions cards and accounts more generally, this is also where supported digital payment options may appear. Next, eBay will ask what you will use this payment method for. Select the option that best fits your situation. This part helps eBay show you the most relevant payment choices based on how you plan to use the account. So choose the option that matches your needs as closely as possible. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. This will take you to the next screen where eBay displays the payment methods available for the type of use you selected. If something doesn't look right here, you can usually go back and adjust the previous choice before moving on again. On the next page, select the PayPal option if it's available. This is the key step where you connect PayPal to your eBay account. Depending on your region or account type, the exact option shown may vary a little, so don't worry if the layout looks slightly different from what you expected. Just look for the PayPal related option and choose it when it appears. After that, simply follow any on-screen prompts eBay provides to finish the connection. Make sure you review each screen perfectly before confirming so everything is linked the way you want. And that's it. Once completed, your PayPal option should be connected and ready to use in your eBay payment settings.